Well, a federal judge is allowing a class action lawsuit filed by hundreds of parents in East Ramapo against the school district to move forward. And as News 12's Robert Wolf tells us, the lawsuit claims officials there misuse funds, hurting public school students while helping to send students to religious schools. And now the judge wants the plaintiffs' legal arguments sharpened.
Well, this is a real David versus Goliath story.
East Ramapo School District parent Stephen White relieved that a class action lawsuit brought by close to 400 plaintiffs from that district will be allowed to go forward. It's alleged in the suit that the school board, made up of mostly Orthodox Jewish men, allegedly misused public tax money to send students to yeshivas and pay for religious textbooks. It's also alleged they attempted to sell school properties at below market rates to be used by religious schools. But the judge in the case Monday told lawyers for the defendants, members of the school board, that she won't dismiss the case, but she threw out some of the legal arguments made by the plaintiffs.
But the heart of the case, the judge left in place. So while some of the causes of action were dismissed, the heart of our case was upheld, and the case will move forward.
The judge says constitutional arguments prohibiting government from favoring one religion over another and certain aspects of the general municipal law that prohibit the waste of funds could be a way forward for the plaintiffs. One of their lawyers, Arthur Swartz, says the judge's irritation over some of their legal arguments is part of being a public interest lawyer.
The fact that we can do it under one law but not under another law, I don't take as a defeat.
The judge in this case has told the plaintiffs' lawyers to go back and retool their arguments in a case that promises to be long and complicated. We're at the federal courthouse in White Plains. Robert Wolf, News 12.
Both sides have through the middle of November to make their next round of legal arguments on paper to the judge.